Hey guys, so I know I said it'd be limited content for a while, but today I decided to take a ride so I can still bring you guys some riding content while the repairs are going on with the garage. And I didn't even think to start recording till after I had already left the house, so bear with me as I put a little short video together for you guys showing you some of the Fayette County outlaw trails that I rode today. But old Karen here did really good. I'm very pleased with her. I was a little skeptical after that big old rebuild with the new frame, but you know what? She did great. I'm very happy with her. Thanks for watching, guys. So I'm coming down this trail, and I come across this truck sitting here. She's a little beat up. Take a look and see what we got here. F-150 hung up bad. I know a few guys I'd like to tag in this because I could definitely see them being the guy to do this. Wouldn't throw you under the bus, Timmy. Love you. Yep, she's in there pretty good. I guess they probably went to go get another vehicle to dig her out. This is not quite the area you want to bring an actual vehicle. I don't care if it is four-wheel drive. These ruts are just too bad for this kind of stuff up here. The old and new cable runners. Coming through. That's the town of Anstead over there. And here's the cell towers. But continuing forward, there's Karen. That's what my wife named her, Karen, because she's got a bad attitude, just like a typical Karen. The overlook that I typically get pictures taken at is actually right there where that next, I don't know what you call them, the pillars, the two pillars that come up connected at the top. That's the overlook where I typically get a lot of my pictures at up here. That's the holler heading out into the town of Anstead down there. there you can actually see the fire road coming up the mountain. Got another tower and overlook here for you guys. That's just a little one, but there's still a lot to see from up here. Trails will actually take you all the way through all of this. We'll be riding on the other side here a little bit later. So that's Gauley Bridge down there. If you can see that train trestle that crosses over the river. But if you were going down the actual mountain, down the hardtop, that is Route 60, it would take you past Cathedral Falls, over the train tracks, and you'd come into the town of Gauley Bridge. So I just came in from that way there. This is what we're looking at beside me. Nice little drop. Nice little mud hole down there.